If you're running Meta ads in 2026, one of the most common questions is, what is the best audience size? In 2026, Meta's algorithm is more advanced than ever. It relies heavily on machine learning, which means it performs better when it has more data to work with. Because of this, overly narrow targeting is usually not the best strategy anymore. So what audience size should you aim for? For most e-commerce campaigns, a good starting point is a broad audience between 1 million and 10 million people. This gives Meta enough room to optimize and find high-quality buyers. If you're running ads in a smaller country, your audience may naturally be smaller, and that's completely fine. The key is not the exact number, but whether the audience is large enough for the algorithm to learn properly. For cold traffic campaigns, broader is generally better. Interest stacking and very detailed targeting often restrict performance. Instead, use broad targeting with strong creatives and let the algorithm find your ideal customers. For lookalike audiences, aim for 1% to 3% for high similarity and test 3 to 5% for scaling. The larger the percentage, the bigger the audience, but slightly less similar. For retargeting campaigns, audience size will naturally be smaller. These audiences are based on website visitors, add to carts, or video viewers. Here, quality matters more than size. Even a few thousand people can perform extremely well if they are warm and engaged. Another important factor is your budget. If your daily budget is small, extremely large audiences may take longer to optimize. If your budget is high, larger audiences prevent ad fatigue and allow scaling. So instead of asking, what is the perfect audience size? Ask yourself, is my audience large enough for Meta to optimize? Is my frequency under control? Am I getting stable results? In 2026, the winning strategy is simple. Go broader, focus on strong creatives, monitor performance metrics, and let the algorithm do its job. That's the best approach to audience size for Meta ads in 2026.